Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. We recently shifted to Dubai's Silicon Oasis, so decided to show you all the locality here, also the facilities available, hoping it would help you all. We just moved out from our building and you can see the surrounding area, the buildings nearby. There are many residential buildings here in Silicon Oasis, as you can see. If you want to rent a flat here, the prices are reasonable. Also, most of the buildings have facilities like free parking, swimming pool in the building, gym in the building. So overall they have very good facilities and it's a very nice place, I must say. Let me show you all around. Do watch the video in full so you'll know the facilities available, the shops nearby. This place is quite comfortable for those who have a vehicle. Dubai Metro doesn't operate in this area, but there are buses for travel. Here you can see Choitram's supermarket. Also, there's a Medicure Polyclinic Pharmacy, Astor Pharmacy, Almaya Supermarket. There's a nursery by the name British Orchid Nursery. Also Al Madina Grocery. There's a saloon. Also, if you want to buy something here, the prices are on a higher side. For grocery shopping, you can find at a reasonable price at Nesto Supermarket, which is around 15 minutes drive from there. But we can also order from Al Madina Supermarket and go there and buy, as the prices are reasonable there. There are some shops where the prices are reasonable, but most of the shops are at the higher side. There's also a small park here where kids can have a leisure time. That's my mom along with Kia at the park. They also have a Toddlers International Nursery here, Al Ansari Exchange. There's a beauty spa. There's also a shopping center in Silicon Oasis where you can find Dubai's most famous Chacha Chai. There's saloon there. Also you can find KFC, Pizza Hut, Carrefour Supermarket, Subway, McDonald's. The name of the shopping center is Souk Extra. You also have ATMs and all facilities here. Moving forward, you can see there's Al Madina Restaurant, Greenbelt Supermarket. They have home delivery here in most of the supermarkets and also groceries, which is convenient. There are also facilities like schools, hospitals in this area. Almost all facilities are available in this area. A very nice area to stay. Also, there's a West Zone Supermarket, Al Madina Mini Mart. There's another Carrefour market here. You can see the buildings here, most of them are residential. There's pharmacy, printing services, beauty salon, the bus stops, there's also Occasions Cake Shop here. Opposite to Occasions Cake Shop is the Souk Extra, where you can find this Chacha Chai, the beauty salon. If you have a sweet tooth and crave for cakes and pastries, you can visit Occasions. Nearby there's also Puran Mal sweet shop. There's a restaurant, hardware shop, Domino's Pizza, restaurants, Almanara Pharmacy, most favorite Baskin Robbins. There's also Amer Center here for visa services. Also a few more mini marts, restaurants. We have the Chin Chin restaurant here, Fairways Market. So this is how the locality looks, the shops nearby, the facilities available. So this is how Dubai Silicon Oasis looks like and the facilities available. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, do leave them in the comment section and I'll answer them for you all. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for all your support up to now. Take care and see you in my next video.